Show you what to do if Android Auto is not working on your Android phone. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now tap on the search option and then search for Android Auto. Now select Android Auto from the list. So this will open this particular menu. Now here you first need to go to vehicles. Now select your vehicle and then remove it from here. You can also tap this three dot icon to forget all vehicles at once. Now tap the connect a vehicle option and then try to connect to your car's Android Auto system again. However, if this doesn't work, what you need to do is go back to the main settings page, scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Now here find Android Auto on the list and then tap on it. Now here go to permissions and make sure you have allowed all the necessary permissions to Android Auto. So make sure all of these are set to allow. Now go back to the previous menu, tap on force stop and then select OK to confirm. Now scroll down and then tap on storage. Now here tap the clear cache option and then try using Android Auto again. If nothing else works, however, open the Google Play Store and then search for the Android Auto app. You'll see this kind of interface. Now if you see an update option here, simply update the app and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.